What's going on, YouTube? So for those of you who have either the Mic Mini or you have the Mic 2s, I never had the originals, but I'm thinking that the originals will work the same way. So for those of you who want to use your DJI Mic to set up the parameters of your Mic Mini, this is the easiest way I've found to do it. Now I know there's a different way. There's always more than one way to do things, but I'm going to show you the easiest way that works for me for setting up your microphone, okay? So basically, you want to open this up and take out the receiver, and you want to take out your Type-C or Lightning or whichever one device you have, right? So you want to take this off. And for those of you who have the Mic 2s, you normally would put it in from the back. This one, you put in from the front and you slide it over the back, okay? So then your next step would go to your device. So I'm using an iPhone 15 Pro Max, but I would think it worked the same way on your Android device. So you would just go over to your Mimo app, okay? Make sure I turn down this brightness so you guys can see. All right, so then you just plug this in to the bottom or wherever you plug in your device, and you should see this pops up and it says DJI Mimo detected. Go to settings to change audio parameters. So you would just click go to settings. Now you're in the settings to change your microphone parameters, okay? At the top, it shows you the receiver, the battery level. Next, it shows you noise cancellation. So if you want to use noise cancellation on either one, you want to use it or not use it, it's your choice. And then you have your channels. So you have mono and stereo. So you can put it in stereo, you can put it in mono. You have safety track. You can set up for a safety track. You have low cut. That's for like those rumble sounds. I'm not an audio guy. I'm just going through the settings that are on here, okay? Next, you have auto off. So when it's on for like, I think it's 5 minutes or a little bit longer, it'll automatically turn off when it detects you're no longer using the microphone. Auto on off. This is when you have it on a camera. So like right now, I'm using the Mic 2s with my Sony ZV-1. So if I turn off my Sony ZV-1, the microphones automatically turn off at the same time, okay? And then to me, this is an important one, clipping control. Now, some people don't use it at all. They prefer to use a safety track or they do both. I like to turn this on because if you talk loud or you get all of a sudden in a loud environment, you won't have that distortion. So this automatically controls the clipping of the microphone, okay? And then down here at the bottom, it just gives you about device. It'll give you the model number, the serial number of your transmitter and your microphone, okay? But this is the easiest way I found, and I don't have the original microphones from DJI, their first version, to let you know whether or not it works here, but I know this works with the Mic 2s as well as the minis, okay? So this is the easiest way I've found to get in, change all your settings to everything you want, and then you're done. You just unplug it, come out of the app, remove your Type-C, push it back to the front. Make sure you put this back in and those pins are pushed in, because if you don't, it's not gonna work right. So, and that's it. Put everything back where it came from, and you are done. It's just that simple, guys. So any other questions you have regarding this, of course, I don't know everything and I'll try to help you out as much as I can, but I wanted to share that with you guys, the easiest way that I've found to get into your mic settings using the DJI Mimo app, and the Mic 2s work the exact same way. I don't have the Mic 1s, but if I had to guess, it will work the exact same way. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm out of here.